everyone, today I am unboxing one of the new L.O.L Surprise Tweens dolls. From now on they're going to be called Tweens, but I got one with B.T.W, which says B-Tweens. Today I have Cutie. Who's Cutie? She's from Tweens Series 1. She has 15 surprises, fashions and accessories, bedroom playset package. Oh, interesting. On this side, it has her name, Hoops Cutie. On this side, it has her little sister, Hoops MVP. Right here, it has a picture of all the tween dolls. Hoops Cutie, Fancy Girl, Freshest, and Cherry Baby. And right here, it says, I'm in between, but right where I want to be. I want to full of surprises and fierce style. Look out, world, because here I come. Now let's take Hoops Cutie out of the box. Okay. Oops, forgot to cut the tape. Okay, all the tape is cut. Now let's get a look at Hoops Cutie. Here she is. She is so pretty. She has a really cute afro, a magazine, and a little box. Let's get her out of the box for a closer look. Okay, now let's check out her magazine. Let's put this in. Oh look, she comes with an instruction manual. Let's check out her little things. Here is her composition notebook. It has her name, Hoops Cutie. On the back it says B.T.W and it has a little barcode. Now here it says this or that. It has a picture of her right there. Sneakers or heels? Heels. Sneakers. Playing sports or watching sports? Watching sports. Alley-oop or slam dunk? Slam dunk. Okay. Now let's check out some of her other things. I wonder what's in here. Okay, so we've got some little thingies. Some little tissue paper. Oh, it's her very small hair accessories. Now let's look at what's in here. Oh, some of her other things. Her sunglasses, her basketball earrings, her comb. This is like a bracelet or necklace or something. And she has a really cute mini smartphone. And look at what's on the screen. Looks like she's ordering some more shoes. Now what's in this box, I wonder? More tissue paper wrapped stuff. Probably her shoes. Yep, there they are. They're really cute sneakers. This is her bag, and I heard there are some surprises in here. Oh, yeah, there's one. It's her handbag. It's a little basketball handbag, and oh, it opens. Now let's see what else. Wait, that's the only surprise that's in the bag. Now let's get on to the blind bag that's next to the doll. Here it is. What is this? Hello? Oh, it's her jacket. And now for the part everyone's been waiting for. Here is Hoops Cutie. She's so cute. She has an afro. He has a really cute shirt that says MVP. She has on her pants it says good game. Now let's get her